Hey, this is Scott with Spring Hill Fox, and welcome back. And today we're going to talk about Blogger versus WordPress. Which one's better than the other, or should we use one or the other? It's all really up to you. But to break it down so that way you get a better idea, because if you get just starting in affiliate marketing, you should know these things, or at least have somebody teach you these. So here we go. Without further ado, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the clash of the digital titans that'll leave your mouse clicking and your keyboard clacking in excitement. In this left corner, we've got the seasoned veteran blogosphere equivalent to a classic novel, WordPress. And in the right corner, we have the true dark horse, the blogging beginner that's been defying the odds, Blogger. But hold on to your control and your shift keys, because this showdown just isn't about platforms. It's a battle of ideologies. In one corner, we have the elegant simplicity of Blogger, the scrappy underdog that's like your trusty typewriter, a bit old-fashioned but oh so charming. And then there's WordPress, the heavyweight champion sporting more plugins than a caffeine-fueled coder on a coding spree. As we enter the ring of HTML and hyperlinks, one burning question will raise some eyebrows. Is free blogging really better than having your own website? Is it a case of cyber savings or digital deja vu? We're about to descend on a query of surgical precision that even the browser's incognito mode will envy. So grab your virtual popcorn, because we're diving headfirst into the no-holds-barred battle of wits and worlds. It's a match that'll have you debating, laughing, and reevaluating your blogging beliefs. Will the heavyweights triumph, or will the underdog defy expectations?
Step right up
There's
to
only
witness
one way to
the
find
ultimate
out.
clash of the
Let the
titans.
blogging brawl begin.
Blogosphere.
Let's go
In
into
this
the
corner,
video.
we've got the heavyweight champion, WordPress, flexing its CMS muscle. And in the opposite corner, the scrappy underdog, Blogger, steps up with an air of quiet confidence. But hold on to your blogging hats, because the real showdown is brewing. In the allure of the free blogging mightier than owning your digital domain, prepare for a verbal showdown that would make Shakespeare jealous. First up, let's give a warm welcome to WordPress, the magician of content management system. With a flick of its coding wand, it transforms your blog into a work of art using an array of themes and plugins. It's so intuitive that even your technologically challenged grandmother could become a digital sorceress. But a plot twist emerges just as you're soaking up the magic. Round 2 introduces Blogger, the dark horse of our blogging spectacle. The Google darling arrives with an air of simplicity. If you're in it for the words and not the widgets, Blogger's your trusty sidekick. Yet, like a quaint cabin in the woods, there's a limit to how long you can squeeze your ambitions into its cozy confines. Can this cabin in the woods generally challenge your grand fortress of WordPress? Now, the main event here is free blogging versus website domination. It's like choosing between a spontaneous road trip and a meticulously planned vacation itinerary. Imagine wandering through a garden of pre-designed templates. Platforms like Blogger and WordPress.com offer a fuss-free experience, zero hosting costs, no tech included headaches. But before you settle into this rented paradise, beware. Your ability to customize is somewhat curtailed, and your dreams of expectations might hit a roadblock. It's like akin to living a picture-perfect rental house with a strict no redecorating policy. Having your website, the serene call of complete control. With your website, you're the ruler of your digital realm. Flexibility, scalability, that's exhilarating. Sense of ownership. But much like constructing a dream home, it demands time, dedication, a bit of budgeting. The world is your oyster, but you must grab a shucking knife. As the dust settles, we conclude, ladies and gentlemen, after this blogosphere brawl, the true victor is none other than your specific needs. If your tales are light and casual, the snug haven of free blogging might be your ideal refuge. But if you're plotting global domination and managing a blogging empire, owning your website is the majestic throne you're vying for. Remember that blogging landscape is as vast and changeable as a Chemelin's wardrobe. So whether you're cheering for Team WordPress, Team Blogger, or Team Monarch of by digital realm, remember that the key is to let your creativity flow and your words sparkle. Here's to happy blogging, my fellow wordsmith. And don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button and hit that bell. And also don't forget I have links down below. And if you want to learn more about the WordPress or Blogger, just leave a comment. I hope you find this video useful, and I will see you in the next video. This is Scott. Bye.